Good afternoon everyone. Welcome back to your class 2 science class. So previous day we very nice Anushka. Previous day we discussed about the big plant, that is tree, and the one small plant, one kind of small plant, that is shrubs. Right? So have you read these trees and shrubs at your home? Have you read it? Very nice, Aritro. Very nice, Aditya. Okay. Very good. So we discussed about trees and shrubs. Trees and shrubs. Trees, that is big plant. Shrubs, that is one kind of small plant. So there are also some kind of small plant we have to know. Today we will discuss about herbs, that is also small plant. Herbs. Okay, and one is climber and last one is creeper. So there are 5 types of plants we will get to know. First 2 we already discussed, trees and shrubs. It's okay, Aritro. Very nice, Priyanshu. That is 2 which we already discussed, trees and shrubs, and there are 3 herbs, climbers and creepers. Today we will discuss about these 3. Okay, so everyone open your book at page number 6. Page number 6. Very nice, Shaptoshi. Okay, so see the book. First we have to discuss about herbs. 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 So what are herbs? Very nice, Debayon. Herbs are very small plant. As you know, shrubs are small plant. They are smaller than trees. But herbs are also small plant, but they are smaller than shrubs. So here I am writing herbs, which is small plant. Right? Next is, that is smaller than shrubs. You know all about shrubs. So herbs are smaller than shrubs. Yes. Next is, their stems are thin and soft. They have thin and soft stem. First of all, you learn that trees have hard and strong woody stem, shrubs have hard and thin stem, and here herbs have thin and soft stem. And some of the herbs stem is looking like green. That thing you can copy in your copy book. You can write this thing that many kinds of herbs stems are looking green. They have thin and soft stem. Okay. Most herbs live only for a few months. They live only for few months, not years, just few months. As you learn that shrubs those can live for few years, as I told you that 1 year, 2 years, 3 year, 4 year, like that. And trees we can live for many years, and two trees live for 100 years. But here the herbs is not live for years. It's just they can live only for few months, Okay, so that is about herbs. Herbs are very small plant. Herbs are smaller than shrubs. They have thin and soft greeny stem, and they can live for few months. So here I am giving you one example of herbs, that is aloe vera. You can see in your garden, if you have, the aloe vera is the small plant, not tree, sorry. Aloe vera is a small plant, and that is yes, so that is one kind of herbs. So can you tell me any other example, as I already give you the description? Very good, Aritro Sheth, Aritro Ganguly. Tulsi, mint. Very good. So tulsi tree, tulsi plant, which we can see at every home, maximum at every home. So tulsi tree, tulsi plant is one kind of herbs. Tulsi plant is one kind of herbs, and also mint. Mint also one example of herbs. Very good. And there are also rice, wheat, sunflower. They are all example of herbs. Rice, wheat, sunflower, those are also etc. There are a lot of example of herbs. So here I am giving you some examples: aloe vera, tulsi, mint, rice, wheat, and sunflower, etc. So there are some examples of herbs. Okay? Yes. Very good, Anirban. Aryan. Yes, tomato also. Very good, Shaptorshi, Adrija. Okay, now go to the next plant, that is climber. So I have to erase the board now. I am now erasing it, okay? And go for the climber. So what are climbers? Climbers, some plants have very weak stem. Some plants have very weak stem. So climbers have very weak stem, and they cannot stand straight by their own. They cannot stand, yes, very good, Priyanshu. They cannot stand straight on their own. They need some support like wall, like stick, like other plants to climb up. So that's why we can call them climbers. So climbers, they have very weak stem. They cannot stand straight. They cannot stand straight. Next is they need support. They need support like wall, like stick, like other plants, and those are called climbers. Those are called climbers. I am giving you one example, that is money plant. If you saw this plant, you can notice there that money plant, they have the very weak stem, and we can keep this plant beside of any grill, or we can keep them any stick in the soil, so they can climb up. So like that, there are also some plant like pea, grapevine, beans. They are also the example of climbers. They are also the example of climbers. So some plants have very weak stem. They cannot stand straight on their own. They need some support like wall, stick, or other plants to climb up. Those are called climbers. And here example: money plant, beans, pea, and grapevine. Grape, grape, vine, grapevine. And those climbers can live for a few years or few months. Like pea and beans, those can live for few months. But this money plant and grapevine, they can live for few years. Okay? Yes. Very good, Anirban. So that's about climbers. Now come to the next point, that is creepers. So creepers, they have also very weak stem. And they can grow along the ground as they have no support. As you can see, climbers can get support. They need support to climb up. But creepers, they have also very weak stem like climbers. They haven't any support. But they can grow along the ground. I am now erasing the board. Have you all completed about climbers? Okay. Now that is creepers. So creepers have also very weak stem and they grow along the ground. They didn't need any kind of support as they can grow along the ground. So yes, so those plants are called creepers. You can see the pumpkin plants, that is the example of creepers. Pumpkin is one kind of example of creepers. And there are also two examples like watermelon and bottle gourd. Okay? So those are about creepers. So today we discuss about herbs, climbers and creepers, and previous day which we discussed, that is trees and shrubs. So here is all about the kinds of plants. Some big plants like trees, some are small plants like shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers, and their examples also. So here we completed the whole part of the first chapter, plant kingdom. And have you any kind of problem to understand it today? Let me know first. Okay, Aritro. And others? Okay. Okay, so everyone, you have to read this chapter Plant Kingdom very attentively at your home, because I will can ask some questions on your next class about the parts of plants or those kinds of plants. Okay, and next day I will start the exercise part also. Till then you can try at your home those question answered in your exercise part, and obviously write down on your science copy book, only science copy book, remember it. Okay, very good, Aryan. Okay, don't need to send there, I will ask on your next class, then you have to answer it. Okay, till then read this Plant Kingdom very attentively. Okay, so who are present in the class, please write here P. I have to take your attendance. That's all for today.